Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to June 20th,
2026 on the Family Life Skills calendar.
Naturopathy Workshop Day. Discover the wonders of natural healing and simple ways to boost your family's wellness. Together. Step 1. Understand naturopathy. Naturopathy means caring for your body using nature. It's about balance, prevention, and trusting the body to heal, with support from plants, food, and lifestyle. Step 2. Create simple remedies. Use kitchen magic. Turmeric fights swelling. Honey soothes sore throats. Together you can make natural remedies that are safe and powerful. Step 3. Try a natural practice. Brew calming chamomile tea or do a few yoga stretches. Naturopathy is about daily practices that refresh your body and mind. Step 4. Discover cultural wisdom. Learn where remedies come from, like how turmeric has healed families in India for centuries. Natural wellness is full of rich stories. Step 5. Reflect and live mindfully. Talk about what you learned. Simple steps, like herbal teas and mindful breathing, can lead to a healthier, happier life. Celebrate Naturopathy Workshop Day by embracing nature's gifts. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.